Hello folks, hey, it's me again. What am I doing in this segment of the video? This segment of the video, I'm first going to be putting a ginormous amount of vice grips, locking pliers away, because they got to go somewhere, and they don't need to be on this bench. So I'm gonna just let you watch this, because you know what? Sometimes just putting shit away is fun to watch. Yeah, see, like I got a bunch of air tools, like this. This has to go in my air tool drawer. This is on my bench, this is on my bench, this is on my bench. This goes over here. There's this one on the bench. There's this one on the bench. And there's this one on the bench. And then there's this one on the bench. There's a knife on the bench. Camera mount. This has got to go. This I'm going to need. These two things got to go. This is a clamp that I put together. This has got to go. And this has to go back to its home in the box. And this has to go in the box. So I got all the, oh, plus I got a reciprocator saw here. Why do I have so much junk on the bench? Because I was doing shit, pretty much. Got all this stuff on the bench. So I'm going to try to put some of it away. Some of it. I'll let you stay here for a minute. Oh, and while you are watching my video, if anybody's new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I know, thank you, Vino Rat Rod. Thanks for leaving comments. It's awesome. I have my one person who I can count on to leave a comment almost every morning. I think you've been consistently leaving me comments for, Christ, I don't know, a couple of months. I much appreciate it. Thank you. What else? If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Even if you like watch it once a year, it helps me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 users like everyone else, because then we all become zillionaires after that. Yeah, right. Can only dream. These I leave on the bench. These ones I leave underneath the bench because I use them. They got the holes in there. I put them under there. These ones, I've been putting a lot of them down here. A lot of vintage ones, because believe it or not, I like using these old ones. They're pretty good. So I kind of just clamp them on here. And then every now and then I crank them out in the video. Go like, hey, check this out. Old pliers. Alright, come on. Clamp on there. Clamp it on. Some of these are pretty cool. Oh, and don't worry, I ordered more. So, right, come on. But some of these things have like weird openings. Like they have really whacked like little things you gotta push down to release the tension on it. I'll probably do a video on that soon. All these little tension release things. Alright, why am I breathing weird? I don't know. I guess I got corona a while back and got a breathing problem. I don't know. I noticed that. I probably got sick, and they're like, oh, you could have long-lasting conditions. Well, you know what? There isn't a damn thing in life that doesn't give you long-lasting conditions. But oh, we're not supposed to talk about that. Might get deplatformed. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Yada, yada. Oh, wait. I should put these on the... See, you probably can't see nothing, but I'm talking these anyway. Let me flip these upward here. I'm going to put these vintage things. I want to do a video on it, fixing them. So they're going to go on the trophy shelf over here. Why do I call this? What was it? Why do I call this the trophy shelf? Because this shelf just has all kinds of cool and unusual old tools that I like. I pick up a bunch of stuff, and it's fun. Like all my Abingtons and my old ass, what do you call it? Adjustable wrenches. Like the King Dick wrenches. Anybody know what those are called? Come on. I might stay. Alright, this right here is a strong hand tool. See? Gotta put this back on here. Little pipe holder. It's actually pretty, I mean, I wasn't too sure about it, but then when I picked it up, you know what? It actually is quite a good little tool. So yeah, I'm gonna let this hang with the big boys over here. Let it hang, let it hang. When am I gonna use pipe? Actually, very soon. These suckers, the damn things for the angle grinders, what a pain in the ass. They're like real serious pain in the goddamn ass. They have like, what, 6 different ones? I got one that uses an Allen key, another one that uses, what the hell does it use? One that uses a small size, one uses a bigger size. I'm like, I don't get it. Just standardize the goddamn thing. I mean, put one giant bolt, something. No, not in the tool world. Everybody's got to be different. Everybody's got to be different. So yeah, what am I doing on the bench here? You're gonna see. I'm gonna make this a double the fun video. How many minutes I got here? Jesus, 6 minutes. I'll let you suffer through it, folks. Suffer through my 6-minute video. Anyway, you know what? I'm gonna end this here because somebody's gonna accuse me of talking too much. So I'm gonna start it over again. And like I said, subscribe, smash the buttons, do whatever you gotta do. Everything helps.